Hey guys, welcome to this iPhone tutorial, and here I'll detail how to control volume without buttons. So if you want to control your iPhone volume without using the volume down or the volume up button, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if you don't know this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, to control volume without buttons in iPhone, all you just need to do is go to your iPhone settings. On settings page, you want to scroll down. So just scroll down and click on accessibility. Now, once you selected accessibility, scroll down, locate physical and motor and click on touch. Now, once you selected touch, come here and turn on assistive touch. Then turn on assistive touch. So once you enable assistive touch, you're going to see this home button on your iPhone. Now you need to customize what the home button does so that you can easily control the volume using the touch without using the side button. Come here under customize section and click on double tap. So under double tap, we want to locate the volume button. So if you have the volume up button or the volume down button, locate either the volume up button or the volume down button. Then that is for double tap. If I double tap this here like this is going to increase my iPhone volume. Then click on long press again. Under long press, come down here and select volume up. Then once you selected volume up, if I triple tap this button 1 2 3, you're gonna see the volume up enabled. Then come back. Now you can see I have double tap volume down, then triple tap volume up. Then let me go ahead and double tap. You see my volume comes up. Let me go ahead and triple tap. Then you see my volume comes down. However, you can also customize this screen again from here, but for this purpose, you can just go ahead and set this. Now, when next you are using your iPhone and you don't want to use the side button, you want to increase the volume, just double tap this. Then you should see the volume comes up, then triple tap, then you should see the volume comes down. So at the same time, you can also use the Siri voice command. If Siri is set up on your iPhone, you can say, "Hey Siri, increase my volume."
Okay, media will play louder.
Can you see that? If you want to reduce the volume without using button as well, you can say, "Hey Siri, reduce my volume to 50%.
Okay, media will play softer.
Can you see that? So that is basically how to control volume without buttons in iPhone. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.